Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to our user spotlight series. I have with me Vivek Arora, one of our customers. Vivek, would you like to give a quick introduction about yourself, and the job and what industry you're working with?
Sure. Hi everyone. My name is Vivek Arora, and I am working as an automation test lead. And I belong to an entertainment industry, and I've been uh, in this role for the last 7 to 8 years now. That I've been using automation and been in the QA team for the last 10 years now. So I've been using SLQ for the last 4 years, and it has been an incredible tool uh, for us, specifically being how dynamic our application is.
Wonderful, wonderful. So we'll talk more as we progress.
Yeah,
Before kind of you've been a user of ACCELQ. So before using ACCELQ, any problems or challenges you are facing? We know, traditional test automation has evolved. So any specific problems and challenges you were facing prior to adoption of ACCELQ within your industry or
yeah, sure.
organization?
So as in traditional automation strategy, we used to use Java plus Selenium for automating our entire application. But our current uh, industry and the current application is so dynamic that uh, the releases goes every week in week out for all the other platforms, and for making those changes in the entire code every week was being hectic, and we needed something which can handle this dynamic features and the dynamic application of ours. So we been introduced to SLQ for that. So once we started SLQ, it helped us a lot in handling the entire release management by updating the code and the script that we were used to do very hectic in the entire release cycle. So yeah, this helped a lot when the releases were going every weekend and week out.
Wonderful. That's glad to hear. ACCELQ is happening quite a few times. So we have a lot of features in the ACCELQ platform, right? But is there anything which is like stands out to you or is special to you? Uh,
Uh, we mostly use it on a regular basis. The playback feature where you just run a specific statement rather than running the entire test scenario. So you need not to wait for the entire test scenario to get executed. You just have to uh, play back that one particular statement or one particular method of that particular script. So you don't have to wait, and it helps to save more time while scripting or fixing anything.
Wonderful. And the last question is basically, there is a lot of tools out there in the market. Any recommendation, and since you've been using ACCELQ for quite some long time, any recommendation for someone who is considering uh, to go with ACCELQ?
Yeah, okay. So to be honest, we did a lot of POCs with other tools as well, but most of the tools were like linking two things into one, and there was no clear mindset of writing code or script, something like that, because we were coming out of from the coding background in terms of writing code or script in Java. So we wanted something where we don't leave that particular touch of writing the entire uh, logics and syntax related to the entire automation script. So SLQ gave us that particular platform where you write something or you write your own logics rather than linking two things like few other platforms or tools provide, where you don't have to just write the code, you just link those things and record everything. But SLQ provided much more clarity, if like a white uh, board, to write everything that we wanted to write in terms of logic or any conditional that we wanted to, that outsmart SLQ from other tools that we were looking for.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Vivek, for your time with us and
Yeah,
making this user spotlight really special. Thank you for being a valued customer of ours. and we look forward to serving you better. Thank you. Thank you
Sure,
for your
sure.
time.
Thank you.